now, we can flip it over and put our retaining ring back in. Make sure that the retaining ring is snapped into the groove that's on the crankshaft. Okay. And then we can reinstall the sleeves. And to do that, you'll want to put some oil on the inside surface. Turn the stroke of the piston to its furthest point out, and it helps to put a little mark on the piston because we're going to have to make sure that this is sitting in there exactly right. If it's twisted a little bit, then the pump will lock up and you can cause internal damage. So we'll want to make sure that the rounded side of this matches the roundness of the shaft. So to put this in, it'll help to line up the split on the piston ring with one of these sides here. We'll need to compress that piston ring. You may need to take a rubber hammer and lightly tap it in. If you hit it too hard and it's not lined up right, you can break that piston ring. If you mark it in the center of this, then you want to match that up with this bolt hole. Push that straight down, make sure that it didn't turn on you.